Hiya, I'm going to show you how to make a mock-up of the inside of your book using Canva. If you make or design a journal or notebook or anything for Amazon KDP or somewhere like that. It's just a way of creating the inside pages to share on your socials or to show people what's going to be on the inside. So you basically make up whatever size canvas you want to start with, depending on if you want it on Instagram or whatnot. Choose a background you like and then upload the pages you want. And then lay out the pages like the book would look. Make sure the pages are lined up in the middle. There's guidelines and it just clips into place. Really easy. Make sure the pages are the same size. And you're halfway there already. Now to make it look more like a book, you want to add a gradient on the inside edge of both of those pages. There is a gradient already ready on Canva, so you just can grab that, and then you want to turn it on its side and you want to put it on the edge of both pages. So this one we're just going to move, clips in place, and you just stretch it so it fits the page. Then we're going to duplicate that, and we're just going to flip that round to the opposite way and then put it on the inside of the other page. Now this is way too dark, so we're going to change the transparency for it. So you just select it, move the transparency bar down, and then this is where your own preference comes in. I like a lighter shadow, but you can have it darker if you like. It just makes it look like the book kind of bends in at the middle. You do want the left side just a tad darker though, and then that makes it look like it's an actual book. So if you change like anything to like the transparency and stuff, make sure the right bit is selected. Because if you do what I just done there, I had the background selected and it made that lighter. So if you want like the front page where there's a blank page next to it, that's really easy to do as well. Just select the square, the basic square, and we're just going to resize that and to make it the same size as your page. And then I'm just going to make it white. And with Canva it's so easy to resize things because it literally clips into place if you do it on top of another one, and it gives you guidelines and everything, so you can get things all in, like lined up nicely. And then just use the shadows the exact same way. Now the shadow was already on the page, that was actually end up being behind the square, or it ended up being a rectangle. But that's all you have to do. I moved that layer up and it's done. So I hope this was helpful for you, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.